Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create an API to get the images in Node.js application. So let's get started. As you can see the API to upload the image at the line 21, I'm going to update the blob.createWriteStream method. Let me add the content type inside the metadata object. Okay. Now after that, I'm going to create an endpoint to get the images. So let me call here the instance that we have router and the mapping that we have get. Let me add here the URL that we have slash. So it will be a async function. Inside the argument of this, I'm going to add here request and the response. Inside this method, I'm going to add try and the catch block. The catch block will catch an exception in case of API failing. Let me catch here the error. So here I'm going to return the response with the status code 500 and the message that we have getting error while retrieving data from the MongoDB. After that, I'm going to print here the error message. So it will be error.message. Now inside the try block, I'm going to call the query from the image model that we have find. So it will be await. And here I'm going to create an object that we have images to save the response of this query. Now after that, I'm going to return the response with the status that we have 200 OK. And the response in the form of a JSON, where first we have a count of the image. So it will be a images.length. After that, we have a images object. Now you can take a look of the image route.js file. Let me open here the terminal and I'm going to write the command to run the Node.js application. So the command that we have npm start, let's hit enter. As you can see, the Node.js application started successfully. Let's navigate to the Postman and let's test the API. Let me open here the new tab and I'm going to copy the URL, the mapping that we have get. Let's click on the send button. As you can see, the status we got 200 OK. After that, we have a images object. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can recommend. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.